and whosoever you love. That's not for me, sweetheart. I never want to come out of my face and disrespect you. I don't know whatever you say about me, good or bad. I have to turn that back that you said about me. You cannot take love from me because I am love. And when you're love, I learned this late because I didn't understand it. When you're love, you don't have to worry about who loves you. I am love. Everybody that I've ever been with can tell you that they receive love from me at even one time in their life. And that's how I know that I am love. So the part that I always kill up myself and feel like, oh, I need somebody to love me and be, I don't need that. As I said, I learned this late. Loving me is so easy. Because me loving somebody else is easy too. I am very kind-hearted. I am very forgiving. And I notice that the devil put people in my life to rip that love out of me. I have healed a lot of broken people. And I'm not asking you that. I am telling you that. I have went in people's life who never knew anything about love. I show them love. And this is what makes me unforgettable. Because once you have me or get me, you will never in your life forget me. Ask anybody who ever met me. They don't have to ask which K. They know which K it is. And because I know that, I know who I am. I never understood it before. But all the fights that I go through, and all the love and the heartbreaks, makes me understand. I can always show you the worst parts of me, because most of you don't even deserve the better part of me, much less the best. You know why Paris loves me this much? Because she knows who I am. She knows the love that I give. She knows the love that she receives. And it makes her who she is. So I don't need people who don't know me, the real me, to come up here and say anything about me. I'm not even going to think about your words to be valid anymore. I always say this to you guys. After the storm, there's definitely a calm. This is my calm. I understand. Not everything is going to go my way all the time. Sometimes you win some and you lose some. In this era, I didn't lose a thing. You think I lost because everybody who don't know me have something bad to say about me? Hell fucking no. I didn't lose anything. I am still here. I am still glowing. I still have the same money that I woke up with yesterday. I still have life. I still have my kids. And if you said I'm sad and lonely, that's fine. And maybe I am sad and lonely. But guess what? I'm still here. I am still here every day looking at you and you can't do nothing about it. For the person who said you're sad and lonely, that's fine with me. Because I am still here. You're eating out your heart for cuss me. And I'm here smiling, talking. Who's the bitter one? Me or you? You're bitter against somebody that you don't even know. I don't know you. And in real life, I shouldn't even care what you say. Because I don't know you. You're not in my friend circle. You're not my family. I don't know you. You're just a bitter bitch who wants me to feel bad. About what? Myself? For who I am? And this doesn't even go for those females. It goes for all of you. who feel like you know something about me because of the attitude that I play out on the internet. Y'all deserve it. Call me a monster. Do what the fuck you want to do and say what you want to say about me. I know who I am. None of you can't break me. And that's what your problem is. You know how long you people have been waiting for me to crash out and pull up my hair and cry and stomp and all of that? No, I fight. I war back with all of you who come for me. Because you're not going to see that. That's not for you. I know you guys wonder how I do it. Yesterday when I deactivated my page, somebody texted me on Instagram and say, yes, bitch, we got you off TikTok. Look at me now today, bitch. I'm back. So you look at it. I know the mission. The mission is to get rid of me. But you cannot get rid of me. Because I'm still here. I am sorry to all my friends who wanted me to just done and avoid it. Because you hate when people say shit about me. But guys, I just want you to understand that I have to fight back. And I know that it's not every fight I am going to win.